Using a 15mm socket and ratchet, remove all the bolts that's holding the splash shield, then remove the splash shield. Remove the tow hook covers next. Using a 15mm socket and ratchet, loosen and remove the tow hooks that also double as an intercooler holder. Unclip the stock intercooler piping and disconnect from the stock intercooler. Carefully remove the intercooler. Carefully pull back the plastic covers to access the bumper bolts if applicable. Ours is a base model that came with plastic covers. Yours might differ. Using a 15mm socket and ratchet, remove all 6 bumper bolts. Reach up underneath the car and disconnect the wiring harness for the active grille shutters. Tilt or remove the bumpers to gain access to the 8mm bolt holding in the grille shutters. There is a total of 4 bolts, 2 in front and 2 on top. Carefully remove the grille shutters by wiggling it left and right. You may choose to remove the bumper entirely. We decided not to. Using your hands, carefully pry out the clips holding in the grille fins. Pry on the left side plastic tab to remove the fins. Repeat on the other side. Carefully reinstall the grille shutters. Tighten down all 4 bolts holding in the grille shutters to its location. Lift the bumper up to its proper location, then thread in the bolts. Do not forget to install grommets onto new intercooler, as well as adding blue Loctite to all the bolts. Carefully install the new intercooler. It is heavy and is a tight fit. Insert blue Loctite bolts into tow hook and tighten down. Repeat on the other side. Clip in the intercooler piping into the new intercooler. Fish the active growth shutter harness back to its stock location, clip into stock location, and connect again. Torque bumper bolts down to factory spec. Put factory bumper covers back on if applicable. Torque down tow hook bolts to factory spec. Do not forget to put in tow hook covers. Reinstall the splash guard and tighten down all the bolts. And you're finished.